is home for a lot of people, and we try to have that vibe as all the kids are our own, and we treat them as they are individually unique, special, and give them the tools they need to be successful in life. We've been here for over 35 years. We're one of the largest, oldest programs within the Cedar Rapids area, and over 95% of our kiddos that graduate out of our program are kindergarten ready. We have 2 early learning centers. One of them is our KidsPoint downtown location, which is located right downtown. Then we have our KidsPoint C Street location, which is located right off Highway 30 and C Street Southwest. Super exciting times for KidsPoint downtown. We renovated in 2020, and we completely gave KidsPoint downtown a facelift. We updated all of our classrooms. We enhanced security throughout the building, upgraded technology, new supplies, new tables, new chairs. We've interviewed some of our older children in our programs, and some of the hot items are the cafeteria. They love getting out of the classroom, sitting in that setting like they will for schools, and then the updated indoor and outdoor space. Large motor play is really important for the development in children, and so on rainy, snowy days, we have a place for them to go and burn energy, run around, have fun with their friends. But then on the nice days, we have outdoor play area as well, and it's really important for kids to get outside and burn that energy. We serve kiddos of all backgrounds, so we have a family support program that helps those families as well. Our school age program is designed to help with homework, to give positive role models outside of the school or outside of the home, and it's designed for kiddos kindergarten through 5th grade. We also have multiple day camps for kids in the summer to keep them busy when they are out of school. We take a lot of pride in what we do. We don't consider it a babysitting job, we consider it a career, and that's what's really important. We're here for the kiddos to learn, be ready for kindergarten, give them a safe place to be, and really treat them like our own. Give us a call, visit our website. We'd love to have you set up a tour and come visit and learn more about us.